Hello everybody, how are you? Hope everyone will be good. Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, we will share creative and inspiring tips for your crochet. Today's video is all about crochet accessories. In this video, we will show you different type of crochet accessories. You may like all type of accessories, so watch this video from start to end. You will get many things from this video. We are always sharing creative and inspiring tips for your crochet. Dear viewers, crochet is a wonderful hobby. Crochet is a popular needlework skill that involves creating fabric by using a crochet hook to interlock loops of yarn or other materials. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find all our new videos for your knowledge. Here are some key things you might want to know about crochet. We will mention some benefits about crochet. Relaxing and stress relieving. Portable and easy to learn. Creative outlet for self-expression. Can be used to make a wide range of items from clothing to home decor. Basic crochet terms. Chain, foundation of most projects. Stitch, individual unit of crochet fabric. Row, horizontal line of stitches. Round, continuous spiral of stitches. Hook, tool used to crochet. Yarn, material used to crochet. Here are some common crochet stitches. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, slip stitches. In this video you can find we have remixed all the data whatever we got. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of beautiful ideas. Here are some tips for beginners. Start with a simple project like a scarf. Choose the right hook and yarn for your project. Watch tutorials or online classes to learn new stitches. Practice regularly to build muscles memory. Resources. Online tutorials and patterns on websites like Mowgli, The Crochet Crowd and Crochet Geek. Crochet books and magazines at your local library or craft store. Join a crochet community. With the happy ending today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique crochet ideas. Thank you very much for watching our videos.